Hi, this is Fiona from E4Effort, and this is a brief introduction about the E4Effort system. Number 1, the teacher scoring app, the Ready category. After selecting a course, the app will open to the Ready category. To receive a high Ready score, a student should arrive to class on time, with their supplies, and listen when the teacher starts the class. The participation category. For the participation category, student names are listed in a random order. The app is suggesting who to call on next to answer questions, give an opinion, read aloud, etc. The on-task category. Students get credit for their focus and perseverance during learning tasks. During the directions for the lesson, the teachers should communicate to the students what a full credit on-task score looks like. The behavior category. Unlike other categories, the behavior category is not scored in the moment. Instead, the teacher often scores their recollection of student behaviors over a time interval. The recognition category. The final app category is recognition. When a student is announced as an Effort Award winner, an Effort Award badge and Effort shares are automatically sent to their student portal. Thanks for watching and listening.